In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, complete shutdown will be observed on Thursday to pay tribute to iconic freedom leader Said Ali Shah Gilani on his first martyrdom anniversary. The all-parties Hurriyat conference has urged the people to march towards residence of Said Ali Gilani in Srinagar. During his lifelong struggle, Said Ali Gilani along with his family suffered immense hardships, but he remained firm as a rock in the face of immense adversity. Gilani had been a thorn in India's side since the early 1960s when he began campaigning for the territory's merger with Pakistan. He also pursued his separatist calls as a member of the Kashmir Assembly. He spent years in jail and had been under house arrest for most of the past 11 years. He had been ill for several months with heart and kidney problems.